Hello Patricia, it's Durab here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2019 MT07s. As you see, we have all the colors available. It's blue, there is a matte gray with a high vis orange rims, and the black. So the prices are, for the black for example, 2019 is $9,063. After freight, PDI and $10 on the fee, it's only excludes HST and licensing. These high vis rims are slightly more expensive. It's only $200 difference, and the blue is the same as the black one, so it's $9,063. They are all brand new. They come with a 1-year warranty, and of course you can extend the factory warranty and add another 1, 2, or 3 years to them. If you have any questions regarding these motorcycles, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. We do offer financing as well if you would like. Thank you.